What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and we gotta do some maintenance today. If you guys have been around for a while, you guys know we milk out in the pasture. We have a rolly cart that we use to pull the milker out and bring the milk back. Well, we may have been using one that was a little bit too small and not rated for the weight. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the cart in question. And we have a flat tire. We don't just have a flat tire. It started to bulge. And then yesterday Jesse pulled it into rope right here. And apparently it exploded. So we definitely need to, at a minimum, try to find a replacement tire. We're going to go and actually see if we can find a larger wagon, because I don't think this one is rated for the weight we need. This milker right here alone weighs about 50 pounds. And then with our milk, these containers alone weigh about 10 pounds each. And then we average about anywhere from 7 to 12 gallons of milk at any given time. And milk weighs what, like 8.5 pounds per gallon? Yeah. So yeah, it's a lot of weight for this little. So we gotta empty this off and get the tire off first.
Part of the hub. Yeah. There we go.
You see where it busted?
Maybe they have. Well, no, I'm not even gonna bother with that.
Yeah, because it'll just bulge right out of that again.
Yeah.
Can we put some flex tape on it?
Of course.
That'll fix it.
I tell you what, that was pretty scary when that thing blew. It was like flashbacks of, well, you know, my previous occupation.
So we went to Tractor Supply. They had one rolly cart, and it was the exact same cart that we already had. So we ended up just getting another tire. This is the second tire we've blown on that cart, isn't it? So we will replace the tire yet again, and then they have a cart that's rated for 1,400 pounds, but they don't have it in stock. And to order it, it would be like another $100 just for shipping, which is ridiculous. So I think I'm going to do some research online, and we're going to see what we can find. Because we like this style of cart. It's easy. Everything fits on it. But if we keep blowing tires, it's not really the best thing. Especially if we're like out in the milk stand and we blow a tire. That's not exactly the ideal situation. Oh, and we forgot cotter pins, so oops. Alright, so the new tire is on. We give her a spin around the block.
That's janky.
And it'll work for now. Alright, so the milk cart is fixed for now. We're going to try to find some of those non-flat tires, or we may just have to eventually upgrade to a heavier duty cart. We have the gorilla carts, but I don't like the setup of the gorilla carts. They can't really hang like our feed buckets off the sides of them. And they're not really like super flat. Hi, Cravey. So I like the metal carts because they just fit for what we need them. But now that that is done and we are ready for tonight for milking, today we're going to release the little nuggets. They are officially weaned. They are no longer on bottles. So we're going to let them out with the rest of the herd. They'll be out here for the day and then we'll lock them back up for another night, just because even though Gravy here is 2 years old, she has a tendency to chew on the animals that are new. She doesn't do it to be mean. It's just the way she is. So let's get these guys out and see how Gravy reacts. Gravy. Are you girls ready to come out to the herd? Are you ready? Well, let's not go that way. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Sage, you need to get your head out of the fence. Out. There. Right here. Here you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. Sage, there. Alright, so the little ones are out. They're kind of just exploring. They're keeping their distance from the bigger goats. Gravy kind of doesn't want them by the big goats. She keeps kind of pushing them away. She hasn't gone after them or chased them or anything. She just doesn't want them by them, which is understandable. They're new. She doesn't trust them yet to be by her goats. Hi, Rogue. Hi. Who else? Oh my. Oh, hi, Polly. Don't you do it, Posy. So I'm gonna let them hang out supervised for a little while and just make sure everything goes as planned, and then tonight they'll go back in the barn for the night, and we'll just keep letting them out for the day and putting them back at night until I can trust somebody a little bit more. Gravy was going to be a little chewy with the girls, but they were hanging out together. There's no bite marks, no slobbers. So it was a successful day, huh, Gravy? You kept your teeth to yourself, and I appreciate it. All right, girls, you ready for dinner and to bed? All right, so it got cold again. But Jesse put the little nuggets away. We've got a line forming over at the milk stand. So it is time for us to end this video so we can go and milk and feed all the rest of the animals. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.